Oh, great. Just when I thought everything was copacetic. Not copacetic at all. Don't muss your Tommy. Laying right in the Urals.
I can't even see it. I think it's all covered by this plastic thing.
I flip out.
How does this come off?
I got the Protoman schematics in my car if you want them.
Oh.
You know, everything's just spotty.
Just set it up so it's right in his face, eh? Oh. I love it when Jim comes over. Does it hold down?
Falls down a little bit.
Nice.
Good enough.
I just fucking hauling screws out of Jim's rig willy-nilly. Oh, nice. Look at that. Look at the axis panel. You can just pop those guys off of there. That guy off of there. Oh, yeah.
It's dripping from right here.
Right here.
That's where it's fucking leaking.
Oh, my mitts.
Oh, don't get mussy. Oh, you wore your
My-
Tommies too. Didn't
Oh,
Jim
no,
tell you
that's-
not to wear your Tommies to inwood?
Oh, no. Thankfully, they're my work Tommies.
Oh, it's getting me.
Careful.
It's just fucking blaze boiling hot too. Nice. Nice, dude.
That's how much coolant
That's
it
how
had.
much coolant you had in your car?
And it has never overheated even a little bit.
Yeah, because there's no f***ing water by the f***ing heater sensor to tell it
that it's overheating,
yeah.
so it's just always been overheating.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Boys.
I like how when I take it in to get fixed, they don't they don't look at anything else.
Yeah.
They're just like, oh, I'm gonna stab in your shitty part and you can go f yourself. I'm not gonna even f***ing glance at anything else.
Well, why would they
Even
give
though
up-
I just gave you f***ing hundreds and hundreds of dollars.
That's all the coolant that was in Jim's car. That's totally
Oh,
not
I'm
good.
sweaty now.
Oh,
I'm all sweaty now.
oh, buddy.
That's brutal.
Let me see.
1 liter.
Oh my god. And it holds 9
Yeah,
liters.
that's not even. That's
half a liter.
yeah. That's
That's 710 milliliters.
That's great. Holy.
You could drink that and not get full.
Yeah, like you wouldn't even get sick. You could drink that and not even get poisoned.
You know what? Let's buy GoPros and spend $1 million on batteries. They last 4 times, and then 1%.
Yeah. Garbage.
That's pretty cool.
Right.
And then those are the good batteries too, because the ones that they come with are they're not
Even
good.
worse.
They don't even work. So that's awesome.
That's awesome.
All right, but yeah, I think.
Are we discombobulated?
Well, I mean, you could probably undo some shit because it's all sharp, and I already carved the
Okay.
f out of my hands last time I was f***ing around with this stupid thing. So. Oh, there's a guy right there. Where's the thing?
Just gonna do it anyways.
Yeah. Oh,
I'll f it up, so.
yeah.
Be sure honest.
Did you tell Jim you were f***ing playing skid steer yesterday or something?
Oh, I seen
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
You're actually doing really good for have never driven one before.
Yeah,
that was good. I was watching you. I was like, F yeah, dude, killing it.
I've driven forklifts before, but nothing like
Like the tracks on it and shit,
joysticks.
yeah.
Yeah. Took a second to get used to it.
No doubt.
Nice.
Mint.
Yeah.
Get snap those off.
Yeah.
What happened? Look at it. I can see it just dripping. Oh well, the lines are off, so that would probably be
Part of the reason why.
I was like, oh yeah, it's real dripping now.
Yeah.
That
Oh
can't be
yeah. Yeah. That's not good.
Oh, you have one of those. I seen a dude doing this, a video of a guy doing this, and he had one of those and used it, and I was like, that's a cool tool. And you have one. Of course you do.
They only work sometimes though.
Yeah, only when you don't want them to.
Yeah, I think he forgot that he had it for the longest time.
Tray under it.
Maybe.
Pull it this way.
Turn it. Fork width on those. Very short.
Yeah.
Thing up.
Put it on like facing the bottom. Whoever did
Well,
that.
you
one.
probably have to because of the
the guy will
rad
be in
go
the
in
way.
there and just
Yeah.
fucking totally or the fan cock in your program. So give him a fucking pass on that one. Fuck.
Oh, nice. Just a little bit of poop in there.
A little bit of a drizzle.
Snag. Oh yeah.
Holy dickens.
There's where all your coolant was.
Yeah.
In this bottom rad hose.
It checks out.
Fucking stupid Jim. I could have not had coolant all over me today and just went to bed. Oh my goodness.
It's kind of sad now.
You're probably just standing there wanting me to do it. Just wait, just in case.
I need two. I'll use this. The guy's big enough? Oh, look at that. It should be out of the way enough now.
No,
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, Jim did it?
no he didn't. He's just fucking with me.
No, I'm pretty sure he did.
Well, pull the rad out. What are you doing?
I don't know where it's attached to anymore. I just got the. I need to take my sweater off or something. I'm fucking dying.
Oh,
That produced a lot of sweat. Wow. Is it still fucking? I like pushed it
man,
down.
there's like this big plastic nugget right here.
Oh.
That's fucking like on the bottom of that. That's what's stopping us on that side. So we gotta pull the whole fucking spiel this way. We gotta lift it up, pull it up this way. Make sure we oh! Just diabolical.
We should stab him in, pretty safe if it works.
Of course we got.
Yeah.
Just stopped recording at 44%. Oh, cool. That's pretty cool. We didn't want to make a movie putting a rad in or anything.
Oh.
What did you do now?
Drop the nebula.
So does touching. Fuck it. What's that?
That came off.
Great. Car's drive around back. What time is it?
8:25.
Holy dude.
I was expecting it to be a little bit more.
Felon's on overtime now.
Yeah.
Fucking big time.
Yeah, sure.
It would have been like probably an eighth of the cost to just have your work, buy the rad and install it, than it's going to be for me to pay these dudes over the course of the next 40 years of my life in sexual labor.
Well, thankfully it's just section.
Well, I'll push it in. You say that until you got to push it in while he's farting. Now I got to go do that. Like I have to. I have no other choice. I have to go do that.
Pop?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And I wish I went
shot.
on my tip.
Yeah.
Imagine like that and like on your tip.
Well, you gotta do it as it like polyps. Like as it like.
Oh yeah, as it's like pulsating.
Oh,
Yes.
nice.
That way you get like a little you get a little widget.
Oh.
That rusty hard thing is really useful.
Yeah. Oh, I quit. You gotta go. You gotta go right now. Get out.
Car's gonna run like garbage. No
You're not gonna
coolant.
make it very far. But like, you gotta go.
Yeah, I know, right? This is
I had enough of your shit for today, buddy. Maybe Steinbacher can give you a hand finishing it up.
Oh.
Look at this, okay? I just want to show you something quick. Bleeding. 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 3 bleedings. Jim, look at. That's gonna sting.
Oh,
I don't even know where that's coming from. And right there.
nice. I'm a huge goof. Wow. None.
Not even one scratch.
A little
Me
bit
hospitalized.
mushed in knuckle, but didn't even bust skin.
Don't worry, I'll check myself in later.
Look at him go, boys. What?
Can you come help me? He's got. Oh, right on. That was fucking cool.
Yeah, he is just
Can you
eh?
come do this part? Because he's got fucking hepatitis in his brainstem.
It's lined up here.
What do you mean, can I do this part? I did every part up until now. You just gotta put the fan in, and it's done.
It's not.
Buddy. I'm trying to teach you here, Jim. You're not learning,
He knows
okay?
fucking accurate. It's different. He doesn't know how the fan clips at the top, so he's not doing any service.
You're never gonna learn nothing if you don't do it sometimes. Is
what I
he
was
just
waiting
dropping
for.
stuff in your face?
No, it's in. Stop pulling on it.
No, because this side's not.
Yeah, he's gotta get this side in.
This side's in at the bottom, dude.
on the top.
Oh, okay. Do what you gotta do. This side's in at the other side. We're in. So.
Any ideologies?
Yeah, we gotta. It's not.
Yeah,
We gotta,
Holy shit.
it's gotta go back, right, on all 4 corners, and then once it's where it needs to go, then down.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah.
We did
We're in.
We're in. Oh, should I give some pumps?
Yeah, thrust up.
You ever do this with your father, Dan?
Holy
Should really get a shot of that.
Only
Oh,
on
where's
Sundays.
the camera?
Holy fuck.
Look at this. Look at this action going on down here. That must have been interesting.
What?
Staying over Jim like that.
Oh, is it pumping?
He was.
Oh, great.
Oh, that was cool.
Just shine the light directly in Jim's eyes.
There's no O-ring. Boys,
No,
there's no O-ring.
shut up.
I'm f***ing dead serious.
Well, where is it? Where did it fucking go? Stupid.
I'm freaking out.
Because that's gonna bypass the whole thing we just did. We just bypassed it with your nonsense.
Yeah.
Like I had those two, I took the caps out, seen there was O-rings, thought, oh, we better put those caps back in when we put the rad in, and then by the time we got the rad, oh, we found it. No, found his
I
master.
fucking owe you. The amount of blowjobs I owe you are fucking disgusting. Holy shit, dude. No wonder you fucking like this one. Holy fuck,
He's good at finding stuff. I
he's a
don't have to
fucking
know all the time.
good one, dude. For real. That was fucking awesome. Thank you.
Do you need grease?
Yep. Yeah, I'm not sticky enough. Well, I'm sticky
You
enough, but not in the
your
right
finger
spots.
hands?
Give her a little nodule tip. Yep.
Guy wears his Tommy's, didn't we?
Who, me?
No, your buddy.
Oh, yeah, we do that.
Work pays for it.
Nice. They're your work Tommies?
And my work Tommies.
Nice.
He's got his fucking Chelsea boots on? Yep!
Yup.
Thankfully, they got the hard toes on them.
Holmes.
Hey,
Oh, it's
can I
like,
spray paint a cock on your shirt? A little
Well,
bit.
2 of them minimum.
I really don't like have any gauge of how tight is too tight. Like I don't have anything to go off of. I have no like,
Oh, tight, but not.
Remember how tight it was
off.
when you loosened it off?
yeah, but that's not like,
Don't mash the shit out of it, but like good and tight. Like if the wrench starts rounding off the nut, that's too tight, Jim. Back the fuck off.
back her off a couple threads.
Oh, fuck.
That should be good.
If the radiator starts breaking open, again, whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
Dude,
Like tighten it till the radiator breaks and then back it off half a turn and that should be good. You know what I mean?
Pretty sure that's torque to spec.
Yeah. As soon as you go like that, that's how you know.
Oh, it's
Tighten it
fine.
and then go.
That's only if you work at Acura West.
Mm-hmm.
They go right before that. So
Just
it leaks,
after.
Just so it leaks later.
Yeah. Yeah, just so it doesn't leak when I'm there and it leaks when
Exactly.
I'm leaving. Cool, man. Yeah, I'm a big fan of you guys.
Pretty cool. Sounds like.
Pretty fucking solid dudes. Not gonna lie.
Homemade donuts.
Monk me buns.
Gets his car fixed, gets donuts. What do I get? Cut marks.
Don't you wish your dad was my dad?
I wish my dad was me. I apologize.
His dad bought us inwood.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Says f***ing gun it, dude. Fire it up.
I don't think it says.
What do you mean?
Started, let it warm up to a normal temp, and then it says to wait 30 minutes at that temp.
Let it run for 30 minutes? I don't think I even have enough gas to do that. I'm not even f***ing joking.
Just climbing through the window and f***ing, you don't have to get in it, do you? Do you gotta push the brake and push a button or something, or has it got a key?
That's key. Oh, it's smoking.
Oh. Oh, shit.
It's probably coolant that poured on the exhaust manifold.
It smell like.
They're running off the alternator.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think
can
we
see
did.
it.
We did spill some on the
I can see it.
Oh, it's just shit on the exhaust.
I was gonna say, I can see it.
Just coming off the exhaust. I need a haircut. My f***ing mullet's getting out of control.
Oh, we got done putting the radiator in Jim's car that he's been driving around overheating for months, and he's had
It
like
had
one.
like a cup of fluid in it.
That's all
Yeah,
you need, really.
Apparently,
No.
I loved it.
yeah.
Alright, start her up.
Get her going, dude. Yeah, you gotta put the pliers on the bench and the zip times. Here, give me the good ones. That one goes in the garbage, Jim. Okay, now what?
Don't forget to eat your donut. Want
Oh,
a
your,
baggie?
your homemade donuts.
Do you have a dime bag? Could I dime bag these up?
Eat your homemade donuts. Get them down, ya. Oh, fuck. Okay, fire this thing up and just full blast it out the door as fast as you can.
No.
Oh, I apologize.
About a half ounce.
It's a good train. Spent $300 at the dealership. They didn't put O-rings in his transmission lines. But his rad was leaking too, I guess. Whatever. But yeah, got that fixed. Look at the state of the shop. Hope Jim's happy. There's, okay, go.